Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how New Zealand pig farms produce top-quality pork while ensuring animal welfare? On Trending Farm, we follow the journey from adorable piglets raised in a free-range environment to the precise processes inside a state-of-the-art food factory, where care and quality go hand in hand. Pig farming in New Zealand is a thriving industry, producing over 700,000 pigs annually and contributing more than $1 billion to the economy. With 125 large farms and numerous smaller operations, the sector meets the rising global demand for protein while addressing the unique needs of pigs, including shelter, temperature control, and specialized facilities for birth and rearing. About 55% of farms use indoor systems, offering precise environmental control suitable for all climates. The remaining 45% operate outdoors, primarily in temperate regions like Canterbury, using free farm or free range methods. Free range, though less common at 2%, provides pigs with permanent outdoor access alongside shelter. These diverse systems balance animal welfare and profitability, adapting to the specific goals and resources of each farm. In New Zealand pig farms, insemination is a vital process for enhancing reproduction and maintaining genetic quality. Artificial insemination, AI, accounts for over 90% of breeding on commercial farms, particularly in regions like Canterbury, where 45% of farms operate outdoor systems. This practice enables farmers to select superior boars, improving traits such as growth rates and feed efficiency. AI also minimizes disease transmission and aligns with precise reproductive cycles, typically conducted in breeding seasons between late winter and early spring. By increasing productivity and ensuring genetic excellence, AI supports the sustainability and profitability of New Zealand's $1 billion pork industry. Sows preparing to give birth in outdoor breeding conditions exhibit distinct behavioral and physical changes. As their due date nears, typically after a 114 days gestation period, sows become restless and engage in nesting behavior. They instinctively gather materials like straw or soil to create a safe and comfortable space for their piglets. In outdoor systems, sows are provided with individual huts that offer shelter and protection from the elements. These huts allow the sows to move freely in and out while ensuring privacy and safety during the farrowing process. The birth process usually takes 2 to 6 hours, with an average litter size of 8 to 12 piglets. Piglets are delivered at intervals of 15 to 20 minutes. Farmers monitor this process closely to ensure the health of both the sow and her litter, intervening only if necessary. This natural and low-stress environment supports strong maternal bonds and healthy piglet development. After birth, piglets in New Zealand outdoor systems are carefully cared for to ensure their overall health and development. Farmers monitor the bond between sow and piglet, ensuring each piglet receives enough colostrum within the first 24 hours, as colostrum is important for boosting immunity. In outdoor systems, farmers often need to distribute piglets evenly among sows, especially in large litters, to ensure that each piglet gets the nutrition and warmth it needs. This distribution is especially important, as sows with very large litters may not be able to care for all of their piglets equally, resulting in weaker or undernourished piglets. By ensuring even distribution, farmers reduce the risk of neglect and increase the chance that all piglets will grow up healthy. Additionally, this practice helps maintain a balanced environment where each sow has enough space and resources to successfully raise piglets. After weaning at around 21 to 28 days, piglets are moved to comfortable bedding pens to support their growth and transition to solid food. Various housing systems are used in New Zealand after weaning. One common system involves solid floor pens with bedding, such as straw, which allows piglets to engage in natural behaviors like rooting while staying warm and comfortable. Another system uses climate-controlled barns with slatted floors, which manage waste efficiently and provide automatic feeders and drinkers to ensure proper nutrition. Regardless of the system, the goal is to provide enough space, comfort, and access to food and water. Promoting the piglet's physical and mental development before they are moved to larger pens as they grow. Piglets in New Zealand's free-range systems thrive in spacious environments that allow for natural behaviors such as rooting and foraging. These systems typically provide 20 to 30 square feet of space per piglet, promoting physical activity and reducing stress. The piglets are born in outdoor shelters with a minimum temperature range of 50 to 70 DEFF, ensuring warmth and protection from the elements. As they grow, they have access to pasture, fresh air, and an environment where they can socialize, which is essential for their mental and physical well-being. Farmers observed that free-range systems lead to healthier immune systems and stronger overall growth, with piglets averaging 15 to 20 pounds by weaning at 3 to 4 weeks. This method allows sows to express natural maternal behaviors, strengthening the bond with their piglets. Though more labor-intensive, farmers find that free-range systems result in better quality pork and more resilient animals. Indoor feeding systems typically use automatic feeders and drinkers, ensuring precise control of nutrition and minimizing waste. This setup allows for consistent feeding, which helps pigs achieve rapid growth rates. Pigs in indoor systems can gain 1.5 to 2 pounds per day thanks to a carefully balanced diet. Experts emphasize that indoor systems are ideal for large-scale operations where efficiency and disease management are important. On the other hand, outdoor feeding systems, common in free-range operations, allow pigs to forage naturally. This provides a more varied diet, which can improve overall health. While growth rates may be slower, about 1 pound per day, experts emphasize that pigs raised outdoors often have stronger immune systems, reducing the need for antibiotics. This results in a healthier herd, making outdoor systems beneficial for animal welfare. Both systems offer benefits, with indoor feeding excelling in productivity and outdoor systems promoting better animal health. The outdoor pig pile flooring cleaning process in New Zealand focuses on maintaining hygiene and managing waste effectively to ensure pig health and environmental sustainability. Outdoor systems typically use natural bedding materials like straw or sawdust to absorb waste, which helps manage odors and keeps the pigs dry. Over time, these bedding materials, along with manure, accumulate in the pens, forming what is known as the pig pile. To clean the pig pile flooring, farmers periodically replace the bedding, removing the soiled material and adding fresh bedding to maintain comfort and cleanliness. The manure and old bedding are usually collected and stored in designated areas for composting. In New Zealand, this organic waste is often recycled into compost or used as fertilizer for crops, reducing environmental impact and promoting sustainable farming practices. This recycling process not only minimizes waste, but also enhances soil quality by returning valuable nutrients to the land. In New Zealand, pig processing at a food factory involves several key stages. After arrival, pigs are humanely stunned and slaughtered. The carcasses are then hung for evisceration, where internal organs are removed. And the carcasses are cleaned and chilled. Typically, around 400 to 500 pigs are processed per day at large food factories. The carcasses are then split into primal cuts like shoulders, hams, and loins, which are further processed into products like sausages, bacon, or fresh pork. After seasoning, curing, or smoking, the meat is packaged and labeled. The final products are stored at -1 °C and shipped to retailers or food service providers. Strict hygiene and safety standards are followed throughout the entire process to ensure quality at the food factory. From the careful management on the farm to the precision of the processing, New Zealand's pig industry leads the world in sustainability, quality, and animal welfare. Thank you for being part of this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm and turn on notifications so you never miss our documentaries about food factories around the world.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.